The Pixel 10 Pro is already making headlines, and it hasn't even been officially announced yet. Recently, leaked images from a commercial shoot have given us our first real look at Google's upcoming flagship, and it's getting fans very excited. These images weren't leaked by a tech insider or a company employee, but by a random bystander who happened to walk by a Pixel 10 Pro advertisement being filmed. The person, known online as Mark's Gone Public, spotted a shoot happening for what appeared to be a commercial titled "Ask More of Your Phone." The title itself feels very much like something Google would use, simple, bold, and focused on the Pixel's capabilities. This individual took a few snapshots of the storyboard and even some behind-the-scenes shots of the filming. Now, for those who don't know, a storyboard is like a visual script. It breaks down each scene in a commercial or film to guide the crew during production. So, when this bystander saw the storyboard and recognized the Pixel 10 Pro in it, it was a major leak. Unfortunately, Mark's Gone Public's account on X was soon taken down, likely due to Google wanting to keep things under wraps, but not before the internet got a good look at what's coming. So, what did the leak actually reveal? Visually, the Pixel 10 Pro doesn't seem to change much from the Pixel 9 Pro. It keeps the familiar design we've seen in the last few generations. But here's where things get interesting. Inside the device is something brand new, the Tensor G5 chip. This chip is not just another updated version. For the first time, Google has designed this processor completely on its own, from scratch. Unlike past versions that were based on Samsung's Exynos chips and manufactured by Samsung Foundry, the Tensor G5 is all Google. And instead of Samsung, the chip is being manufactured by TSMC, which is the world's largest and most advanced chip foundry. It's being built using TSMC's second-generation 3nm process called N3E. That means more power, better efficiency, and likely some impressive new features we've never seen before on a Pixel phone. One of the most exciting parts about this chip is that it could allow Google to introduce exclusive AI-powered features that take full advantage of its custom hardware. Since Pixel phones now come with 7 years of software updates, people may not feel the need to upgrade every year. So the Pixel 10 Pro needs to offer something truly special, a killer feature that makes people say, "I need that phone." Another clear detail from the leaked images is that the Pixel 10 Pro includes a temperature sensor, a feature that was previously introduced with the Pixel 8 Pro. This helps us confirm that the device shown isn't the base Pixel 10, but definitely a Pro model. There's also a picture from the shoot that shows a crew member actually holding the Pixel 10 Pro. From the looks of it, the phone still has the same clean, premium design with the signature camera bar across the back. It's safe to say that Google is sticking with what works, at least in terms of how the phone looks. The full launch of the Pixel 10 series is expected to take place in August during Google's Made by Google event. That's where we'll likely see the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, and a larger Pixel 10 Pro XL. And here's a surprise. Rumors suggest Google might also reveal its third foldable phone, possibly called the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. With these new devices, and especially with the new Tensor G5 chip, Google is clearly aiming to take a big leap forward. It's no longer just about keeping up with the competition. It's about leading the way in AI-powered smartphones, custom hardware, and long-term software support. So, what can we expect from the Pixel 10 Pro when it officially launches? Based on everything we've seen and heard, it's going to be faster, smarter, and more powerful than any Pixel before it. Whether it's new AI tools, advanced camera features, or even better battery life, Google's fully custom chip could be the game changer. And while we still have to wait a bit longer for the official reveal, these leaked images have already given us a lot to be excited about. The Pixel 10 Pro is shaping up to be a major step forward for Google, and possibly the most important Pixel yet. We'll keep an eye out for more leaks or official announcements as we get closer to August. Until then, let us know in the comments. What do you think about the Pixel 10 Pro so far? Are you planning to upgrade, or are you waiting to see what killer feature Google has up its sleeve this time?